Genesis chapter 36. This is like a big family record of Esau, who is called Edom. It tells us what happened to him after he and his brother Jacob went their separate ways. Esau had 3 wives, Ada, Oholibamah, and Basemath, and through them he had many sons. 3 sons later became leaders and chiefs, each starting their own clans. Esau's family grew so large, with so many flocks and possessions, that the land where Jacob lived could not hold both families together. So Esau moved away and settled in the hill country of Seir. That's why the land came to be called Edom after him. The chapter then lists out all the children, grandchildren, and family groups of Esau. It shows how his sons and grandsons became tribal chiefs, each leading their own people. One special note is about Amalek, who came from Esau's son Eliphaz and his concubine Timnah. From him came the Amalekites, who later became a big enemy to Israel. Genesis 36 also talks about the people who originally lived in Seir, the Horites. The chiefs are listed, showing that Esau's family mixed with them and eventually took over the land. Finally, the chapter tells us about the kings who ruled in Edom before Israel ever had kings. Names like Bela, Jacob, Husham, Hadad, and others are mentioned, showing that Esau's family line became organized and powerful long before Israel had its first king. So, in short, Genesis 36 is a record of how Esau's family grew into the nation of Edom, with chiefs, kings, and tribes, living in the land of Seir, while Jacob's family line was being prepared separately by God for the future nation of Israel.